Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are trying to launch a Steam game and getting the no license found error, this video will help you fix it quickly. The first thing to do is clear your Steam download cache. Open Steam, click on the Steam menu in the top left corner and select Settings. Navigate to the Downloads tab on the left sidebar. Look for the Clear Download Cache button and click it. Confirm the action. Steam will restart and you can check if your game works. If the error is still there, changing your Steam beta participation status can often force a refresh. Go back into Steam settings and click on the Interface tab. Look for Client Beta Participation. If you are currently opted out, try opting into the Steam Beta update. If you are already in the beta, choose this No Beta Chosen to opt out. Apply the changes and let Steam restart again. As a final measure, you should verify the integrity of the game files. Go to your Steam library, right-click the game giving you the error and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process might take a few minutes. Once it is complete, launch the game. The No License Found error should now be resolved. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching.